The best smartphones under $350 in 2022. You can expect a productive mid-budget processor, a triple camera, solid autonomy, fast charging, and an NFC module from a smartphone for less than $350. Here are the best smartphones in the price category of under USD 350. Realme 9i. The model from the Chinese manufacturer Realme is a balanced smartphone with a high-quality display, a powerful processor for its level and good autonomy. The 6.6-inch Full HD Plus IPS screen supports a 90Hz refresh rate, which means that when interacting with the interface of applications and gaming, the picture will be smooth. The power-efficient Snapdragon 680 chip based on the 6nm process technology is responsible for the speed in Realme 9i. The smartphone pulls all modern games at medium graphics settings. Also installed here is a 4GB of RAM with support for dynamic RAM expansion technology. The RAM will temporarily expand from up to 7GB due to the drive. The selfie camera has a resolution of 16 megapixels, and the main one consists of 3 modules, 50, 2, and 2 megapixels. The pictures are clear and realistic in good light. The 5000 mAh battery can be recharged quickly with 33 watts fast charging, with a matching charger included. From 0 to 100%, the smartphone charges in just 70 minutes. Realme 9i is also equipped with NFC stereo speakers and a micro SD slot. That goes up to 128 GB. Now they're asking for about $350 for a novelty. You can choose between classic black and bright blue colors. The Vivo Y53s. This model is also equipped with a large and bright display, 6.58-inch Full HD Plus resolution, but the refresh rate of the screen is standard, 60 Hz. And Vivo Y53s looks very attractive due to the glossy body with a gradient of dark or light blue. The device is based on the MediaTek Helio G80 processor. That is, it allows you to run many current games at medium settings and easily copes with multitasking. In addition, the gadget has 2 game modes to optimize performance during gaming. RAM can be expanded with internal memory from 6 to 8 GB. The FunTouch OS 1 proprietary interface offers a lot of interesting things. For example, parental controls, multi-window mode, and gesture support. The 5000 mAh battery supports 33-watt fast charging. The smartphone also has NFC for contactless payments and a headphone mini jack, and the Wi-Fi module works in 2 bands. The main camera of the smartphone shoots with a resolution of 64 megapixels. It is complemented by a pair of 2 megapixel sensors. In good lighting conditions, the pictures will be sharp and clear. Samsung Galaxy A32. A popular smartphone from the 30 series of the brand with decent hardware and good photo capabilities. True, for $330 you will only find a version with 4x64GB, but the memory can be easily expanded if necessary using micro SD. If you add from $30 to $100, then you can already buy the modification of 4x128 or 6x128GB. The Galaxy A32 deserves special praise for its 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution. Peak brightness is an impressive 800 CD by M2, and the refresh rate can reach 90 Hz. Also, among the advantages of the gadget, we note a 20 megapixel front camera, which takes very high-quality selfies. The main unit includes 4 sensors with a resolution of 64 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5 megapixels. These include wide-angle and macro lenses. The device runs on MediaTek Helio G80, the performance of which is enough for comfortable everyday use in games. And the One UI 3 shell offers not only fine-grained interface settings, but also integration with Windows. You can set up notifications from your smartphone on the PC screen, answer calls, mirror the screen, and quickly share files with your computer. The 5000 mAh battery is quickly charged with the included 15-watt charger. The gadget also supports NFC and is equipped with a 3.5mm headphone jack. TECNO Camon 18P. The brand has recently appeared on the market. It offers decent smartphones at attractive prices. TECNO Camon 18P is a productive gadget with a bright, high-quality display and good optics. And all this for a price of just $299 for the 8x128GB version. The 6.8-inch 120Hz IPS screen has full HD Plus resolution and brightness up to 550 CDM². There is an eye protection mode, and in the settings you can enable automatic frame rate adjustment to save battery. The 5000 mAh battery will provide a day of battery life. In addition, there is support for fast charging with a power of 33 watts. The battery is fully charged in about an hour. The gadget is based on a very productive MediaTek Helio G96 chip. Gaming at medium and even maximum settings in some applications is guaranteed. We also note the cameras: a 16-megapixel front module and 3 main sensors with a resolution of 48 plus 13 plus 2 megapixels. Usually, competitors in this price category are equipped with toy additional modules of 2 megapixels. Here, the second violin is played by a telephoto lens with a 1.7x zoom. Usually, such optics are found in more expensive smartphones. The Huawei Nova Y70. An older modification of Nova Y70 with 4x128GB of memory can be found at the price of $282. At the same time, the smartphone is equipped with 6000 mAh battery, a huge screen with a diagonal of 6.75 inches, and a triple AI camera. The screen resolution is not as high as that of competitors, 1600 by 720 pixels, but it uses proprietary eye protection technology due to auto adjustment of backlight brightness and color temperature, as well as an ebook mode. It is really convenient to read on such a large display. The energy consumption of a huge screen is compensated by 6000 mAh battery. It also supports Huawei super fast charge of 22.5 watts fast charging. The manufacturer claims that 10 minutes at the outlet will be enough to play 3 hours of video. The smartphone is not based on the newest high-silicon Kirin 710, but it runs all modern applications and even games at medium and maximum settings without any problems. The device runs on Android with the EMUI 12 shell. There are no Google services, but this is compensated by the proprietary application store and the pedal search service. Finally, a triple camera with 48-megapixel main module and AI support can automatically detect shooting scenarios and apply the desired setting. The main sensor is complemented by a 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and a depth sensor. And the front camera with a resolution of 8 megapixels supports portrait mode, HDR, and finishes selfies using AI algorithms. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 11. Redmi Note 11, unlike most smartphones in this price range, received an AMOLED Matrix. The 6.43-inch Full HD screen not only supports a 90Hz refresh rate, but also delivers 1000 CDM² brightness at maximum. The model is equipped with a quad camera with sensors, 50 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels, and the second lens is wide angle. The selfie camera has a resolution of 13 megapixels. In terms of autonomy, everything is standard: a 5000 mAh battery and 33-watt fast charging. The plastic housing is IP53 dust and splash resistant. In addition, the smartphone is equipped with a powerful Snapdragon 680 chip, which can easily handle games at medium settings. This model has a modification with 4x64GB of memory, which costs around $266, and the one with 6x128GB can be found for $299. The Poco M4 Pro. Poco M4 Pro was introduced at the end of February and is different from the 5G version of the same name. The device has a high-quality screen, a 6.43-inch AMOLED panel with a peak brightness of 1000 CDM², and a 90Hz scan. Recall that the 5G model uses an IPS matrix. The smartphone runs on a MediaTek Helio G96 processor, a very worthy chip for this segment, as it pulls out even demanding games, albeit at medium settings. The 16-megapixel front camera takes high-quality selfies. The main camera unit consists of 3, not 2, sensors, as in the 5G version. Here, these are modules with resolution of 64 plus 8 plus 2 megapixels. We also note the presence of a full and not a hybrid slot for microSD and SIM cards. The 5000 mAh battery can be recharged in just an hour thanks to the included 33-watt fast adapter. In addition, the gadget received protection against dust and splashes according to IP53. The manufacturer offers 2 versions of Poco M4 Pro 4G, 6x128 and 8x256GB. The younger one can be found at a price of $282 US, and the older one you will have to pay about $83 US. The model is presented in black, blue, and yellow.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.